In this video, we will be installing your commercial dishwasher. From the back of the unit, remove the back panel. This unit requires a 240-volt connection. For a single-phase connection, only 2 wires are needed. Red in the L1 port, black in the L3 port. For a 3-phase connection, connect red wire in the L1 port, black wire in the L2 port, blue or white wire in the L3 port. In this connection, we are using a single-phase connection. The green wire is the ground, and this cannot be used in the power connection. Connect the ground green wire. Make sure to pass the wires through the opening. Now connect the detergent and rinse aid to your supply. The supplied water hose is of 1/2 inch internal thread to connect to water supply. The connection between machine and building drain must not exceed a maximum height of 34 inches above finished floor. Drain must have a minimum flow capacity of 5 gallons per minute. If a grease trap is required by code, it should have a minimum flow capacity of 15 gallons per minute. Let's connect the water supply hose. On the bottom right side of the unit, connect the water supply that will be flowing into the unit. On the bottom center, connect the drain hose that the water will expel to and tighten the hose. Some correct drain connection. Place back the back panel. On the front on the unit, loosen the 2 holding screws and remove the front panel. Turn on the air brake switch and leave it on. This is only done once. Place back the front panel. The machine must be leveled to operate properly. Place the dishwasher in its operation location and adjust the dishwasher's legs to ensure the dishwasher is leveled. Plug in the unit. With your detergent and rinse aid connected, we'll now need to pump it into the dishwasher for the first time use. Press and hold the function button for 7 seconds until a beep is sounded, then release. The unit will start to pump the liquids towards the dishwasher. Do this a second time to ensure that the liquids have reached the dishwasher. This is only done once.
Now we are ready to turn on the dishwasher by pressing the on button.
This unit has 3 washing presets. Cycle 1 is for 65 seconds. Cycle 2 is for 95 seconds. Cycle 3 is for 125 seconds. These presets can be modified. Press on to confirm and begin the cycle, and the unit will start to heat up the water before cycle actual begins. For the first time use, we strongly recommend running a cycle 3 to remove any foreign matter during shipping. At the end of day, press off, and the machine will go into a cleaning cycle. Once completed, remove the spray arms at least once a week for cleaning. Remove the filter. Rinse the spray arms and filter. Remove the drain plug to flush out the water. Place back the filter and spray arms. And this completes the installation.